Alright guys, we got a live trade going here. We're at break even. Hopefully we don't get hit break even. But yeah, I'm just trying to target 540s here. I wanted to see price tap into this 15 down here, but we tap into a 5 minute here, and then we got the model right here. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna give it a go. I wanted to give it a go on the other evals, but kind of happened a little too fast. So yep, we're break even on this. So we either hit break even or we get a winning day and a past eval. So let's see. Still got three more to work on. Two of them hasn't been traded. One of them is up like $300. So let's see if we can get a push to 40s, man. We're at the 20s right now. Just kind of why it's getting a little bit of resistance here. Hopefully we can get a push. I've been pushing all day. Unfortunate, bro. Like I was looking at this and I was very tempted. Big play. Go downstairs. Go play downstairs. Go. I was very tempted on taking this here, but it's just the model just doesn't allow me to take it. Like I said, I need to see legs. Like this is one big ass fucking leg. I was also tempted on taking this here, but it's hard, bro. Cause like we expanded so fucking high and shit. Like I don't know. It's just a hard fucking trade to take. That's all I can say. But this is valid. If I really want to be like technical, this is retrace, run up, and retrace again, and boom, closure. Here will be the entry. I take these type of trades all the time. It's just that, like, just look at this fucking leg, bro. In hindsight, yeah, it would have worked out perfectly because we're like extremely bullish. But it is what it is. I'm gonna move this a little bit higher here, just in case. Even though, what do you call that? This here. This is the commissions, right? Bro, it's pulling back. Come on. Don't do me like that, man. Oh, fuck. We might get hit break even. That's so fucking. That's so annoying. I need this low to hold here. I'm gonna SMT with that. Oh, this 5 minutes is gonna close like this. It's not gonna be good. Okay. Close around here. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, we can definitely get one more push here, but if it does take me out for break even, I wouldn't be surprised. That would suck, but at least I gave it a try, right? Let's see. I don't know if I want to take another trade after this. This is kind of difficult at this point. We already moved so much. But yeah, another reason why I took this trade was we have like an SMT right here. It's like right here. Just give us that push to the 40s, man. I know this can definitely go to the fucking 50s at the very least. So I just need the 40s. If we can get to the 40s, bro, I would be so happy. I've just been sitting here waiting the whole time, which I don't mind. But whenever price is moving so much and you can't get in, like literally I couldn't get in because if I do, and if I lose, I'll feel really stupid about it. No, this is not good. I don't like the way this is moving now. These SMTs shouldn't matter, but we'll see. Smash rates at 488 right here. Move that there. See if we can get that. Nice. Get us to the 40s, please. Hope it doesn't react to this. Just give us like 10 points in this market condition is literally nothing, bro. Let's get it. Come on. Run this account also here. As you can see, I just need a tiny bit left here. Nice. Okay, we should be able to hit that. Oh, it flashed to the 52.5. Come on. It should take this out. I'm not gonna move it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I don't care at this point. I don't want to manually close it because I might be off by a little bit. Imagine it just reverses.
Order filled.
Okay, we're done. Nice. I like that. See, at least we did something today. Whoa, whoa. The fuck? Bro, that better count it. Okay, perfect. Oof. You know what? Today was a good day. Followed my rules. I didn't let the FOMO get to me. Normally I would FOMO and just get in. Which, in this case, it would have worked out in my favor. But, you know, that's not a good practice. Yeah, I said whoa because this thing locked out by itself for some reason. But we passed that account. I meant to take that on the other accounts too, but you know, like I said, I had to react fast to that, get a good feel. But yeah, I mean that's pretty fucking simple, man. Right here. Like I said, we tap into a 5-minute. Tapping to the 15 would have made this trade even better. I would have been a lot more confident with this trade. But yeah, so we ran up, down, boom. That's the fucking model right there. That's literally it. That's all I do. But in this case, though, we didn't really have that good of a target. So my target was this 5-minute here. I like how we didn't take that out. We didn't take it out on both sides. Just good. And if we took it out on the ES, it would have been a little bit iffy. We probably would have tapped into this. But yeah, 15-minute close right here. Retrace. We tap into that 5-minute, like I said, this little tiny one right here. A minute SMT, and we get the model right there. That's it. Target was this high. Well, first target was this high here. Overall target was, you know, my target, the dollar amount. But yeah, that's about it, man. Pretty fucking simple. Just look at this shit, man. This would have been a... See, this trade would be... It's a valid trade, but like I said, it would be a trade that I would feel dumb about if it didn't work out, because this is avoidable. This one is a little bit iffy. I'd say a 7 out of 10 trade. This one, 8.5 out of 10. What would make it a 10 out of 10 is, well, what would make it a 10 out of 10 is if we tap into this 15-minute, as you can see, this right here, and we have like a clear target above, like London high, previous daily high, and shit like that, and that would make it a 10 out of 10. This is 8.5. If we tap into here, that would make it a 9 out of 10. But yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple day, and I finally got my payout. Thank you, Alpha. Like I said, I don't care how long it takes as long as I get my payout. Now, we approve for this one. Hopefully, I don't wait too long for this one. But if it does take that long, I don't care as long as I get my money. We got that. And we got 1 day in here, so we can keep running this bitch up. I hope we can keep running it up. Because getting 1K every week is pretty nice. It's more than what I'll make at work, man. So that would be cool. This it's crazy to think that this account at one point I had like $20 left in this account at one point. and I turned it back around. It was an eval stage. I don't know if I uploaded that shit, but at one point I had like $20 left, and I passed it, and now we got 3 payouts out of that shit, man. It's fucking crazy. But yeah, like the amount I spent on alpha, like I've had like quite a bit of evals in alpha, man, and this account by itself paid it and more. Like not even double, I think like triple at this point. It's spent about $700 in alpha, and I got what? I got $2,300 payout. It's not bad. Could have been 33. This one was a long time ago. I wasn't even aware that I traded a PMI session, but you know, it is what it is. So let's switch to this real quick here. And see, this one is passed. I'm taking it a little bit slower on these, man, but I might start to speed it up. Still have these two here untouched. This one I'm meant to take this trade that I just took on this account too, but like I said, I had to react fast. But that's about it, man. I'll see you guys in the next one.